This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get canned beans in Wacky Wizards Roblox. Go straight to the market stall and check the rotating stock for canned items, then try chest spawns near farming zones and trade with friendly players. Always keep an eye on ingredient combos that yield cans at the cauldron, and remember that patience and experimentation reward rare bean variants and useful crafting outcomes. Head to the main hub and sweep every vendor shelf for cans, checking often because stock rotates. Explore farming fields and haunted corners to open chests that sometimes drop canned beans, and keep an eye on the player trading area where collectors sell or swap cans you might need. Combine searching with friendly negotiation to maximize your chances of collecting multiple canned bean types for crafting and potions. Build a simple plan. Save coins and watch vendor rotations to buy cans at the best price, then experiment with ingredient pairs at your cauldron to trigger canned bean results. Open chests in high drop areas and join a small trading group to swap duplicates and fill gaps in your collection. Consistency, friendly trades, and a little trial and error will speed up your progress and make collecting fun and social.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.